Hi folks, come west to Missouri. We have many jobs ranging from railroad work to farming and lead mining. Missouri is always open for workers willing to help build railroads such as the Missouri Pacific Railroad, one of the first railroads and planning to stretch all the way from Missouri to the Pacific. It is guaranteed that you will get a job on building this historical railroad. Farming is one of the jobs that many settlers take, with more than 215,000 farming and 16.7 million acres of farmland to work on. Farming is sure to keep settlers busy. Wanting more experience? Then learn more about this job at the College of Agriculture at the University of Missouri in Columbia. Missouri is home to some of the finest lead mines in the country. Our mining industries bring in an average of $149,728 per year. Come help our diggers in the mines in Washington County. Come on down to Missouri, where we welcome settlers regardless of their origin.